Today, we're revealing one of best anti-aging secret. What if I told you the secret to glowing youthful skin isn't in a $300 cream, but in your blender? In this video, we're revealing the 5 best super drinks that fight aging from the inside out. These aren't just juices. They're liquid gold for your cells, packed with science-backed ingredients that tighten, brighten, and turn back the clock naturally. No Botox, no filters, just nature's most powerful anti-aging elixirs. Ready to sip your way to younger skin? Let's go. First one is red grapes juice. Imagine sipping on nature's own age-reversing elixir. That's exactly what fresh red grape juice offers. Those deep, ruby-colored grapes you see at the market are actually tiny anti-aging powerhouses, packed with a special compound called resveratrol that's been shown in scientific studies to activate our body's longevity genes. This isn't just juice. It's like drinking liquid youth. What makes red grapes so extraordinary for fighting aging lies in their skins and seeds. When you blend whole red grapes into juice, you're unlocking a treasure trove of antioxidants that work together to defend your skin at the cellular level. The resveratrol in particular acts like a microscopic bodyguard for your cells, protecting them from damage while stimulating collagen production. That's why regular drinkers often notice their skin becoming plumper and more elastic. But the magic doesn't stop there. Red grape juice delivers a powerful 1-2 punch against aging by simultaneously fighting inflammation, a major cause of wrinkles, and improving blood circulation to your skin. You'll often notice a healthy glow appearing after just a few weeks of drinking this regularly. For maximum anti-aging benefits, make your juice with organic Concord or muscadine grapes. These varieties contain exceptionally high levels of resveratrol. Drink it fresh in the morning when your body best absorbs nutrients. It's one of the most delicious ways to turn back your skin's clock naturally. Second drink is congee. This vibrant purple fermented drink isn't just a flavor explosion, it's like liquid gold for anti-aging. Imagine a drink so powerful that every sip fights wrinkles from the inside out. We actually need to know why this drink is so important for anti-aging. First, congee works its magic through black carrots and beetroot, 2 of nature's most potent anti-aging ingredients. These colorful roots are bursting with anthocyanins, the same antioxidants that give blueberries their superfood status. These compounds neutralize free radicals that cause premature aging, literally helping to turn back the clock on your skin cells. Another big benefit, where it gets really interesting, the fermentation process. When you let congee sit for those 2 to 3 days, something miraculous happens. The natural probiotics that develop don't just help your digestion, but these beneficial bacteria actually help your body absorb more nutrients, and your skin will start showing benefits within a few weeks, like brighter complexion, reduced fine lines, and wrinkles. The mustard seeds in congee are also a secret weapon. They contain selenium, a mineral that's crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and helps with circulation, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to your skin. For best anti-aging results, drink about 100 milliliters of congee every morning before breakfast. Third one is green tea. Green tea is like a soothing, aromatic time machine in a cup, one of the most powerful anti-aging beverages nature ever created. When you sip this earthy, verdant elixir, you're drinking centuries of beauty wisdom perfected by Japanese monks and Chinese healers. The secret lies in tiny superhero compounds called catechins, particularly one called EGCG, that acts like a microscopic bodyguard for your cells. Every warm sip floods your system with antioxidants that hunt down and neutralize the free radicals that cause wrinkles, age spots, and that dreaded loss of elasticity. What makes green tea truly magical is how it works from the inside out to preserve your youth. The polyphenols in each cup help protect your existing collagen from breaking down, while quietly encouraging your skin to produce more of this vital protein. It's like sending reinforcements to your skin's support structure. Green tea supports telomeres, those protective caps on your DNA that shorten as we age, and helps activate longevity pathways in your cells. For the ultimate anti-aging ritual, brew loose-leaf matcha or high-quality sencha at just under boiling temperature to preserve those delicate compounds. The vibrant green color is your clue to its potency. That rich hue comes from chlorophyll, nature's detoxifier that helps give skin that coveted glow. Drink it freshly steeped in the morning when your body absorbs nutrients for excellent results. Fourth is aloe vera and cucumber juice. Imagine your skin drinking in the crisp, refreshing essence of a dewy morning garden. That's what aloe vera and cucumber juice delivers to your cells. This luminous green elixir is nature's own anti-aging IV drip, combining two of the most hydrating ingredients on Earth into one powerful potion. The aloe vera, with its gel-like transparency, works like an internal moisturizer, its polysaccharides acting as microscopic sponges that help your skin retain precious moisture while stimulating fibroblast cells to regenerate fresh collagen and elastin. Meanwhile, the cucumber, composed of 96% structured water, floods your system with silica, that often overlooked mineral, crucial for maintaining your skin's scaffolding. Together, they form the ultimate hydration alliance that plumps out fine lines from within, giving you that coveted glass skin effect. But this juice does more than just hydrate. It's a cooling internal cleanse. The aloe gently detoxifies your digestive system, where most skin issues begin, while cucumber's caffeic acid soothes sun-induced inflammation that leads to premature aging. The magic truly happens when you drink it consistently. Morning after morning, you'll notice your complexion becoming more translucent, as if lit from within, with pores appearing refined and that tired puffiness around your eyes gradually fading away. Number 5. Pomegranate and acai berry juice. Think of pomegranate and acai berry juice as nature's own fill and refill treatment for your skin. Except instead of needles, you get a delicious ruby black elixir that works while you sip. The pomegranate brings punicolagens, rare antioxidants so powerful they've been shown to protect your existing collagen from degradation, like a microscopic shield against wrinkles. While the acai berry delivers a tidal wave of antioxidants, the same compounds that give this Amazonian superfruit its deep purple hue, and the ability to neutralize free radicals faster than blueberries or red wine. Together, they're a 1-2 punch. Pomegranate stimulates fibroblast cells to rebuild collagen and elastin, while acai's omega-9 fatty acids act like internal moisturizer, plumping skin from within. The proof? Your morning smoothie bowl might give you energy, but this juice gives you a glow that looks like you've been vacationing in the Mediterranean for months. Sip it chilled on an empty stomach and let your skin drink up the benefits. So there you have it. 5 delicious ways to drink your way to younger-looking skin. No magic potions, no crazy expense. Just nature's best-kept anti-aging secrets, straight to your glass. The best part? Your skin isn't the only thing that'll thank you. Your energy, digestion, and even your mood will get a glow up too. Pick your favorite, sip consistently, and let the results speak for themselves.